Play again. Hey. Play the harmonica again. Play the harmonica. Are you going to sit in Mommy's shoes and play? Play the harmonica. That's Daddy's boots. Play. Play me a song. Cannon. Is that a pretty song you're playing? You gonna go play by yourself? Bye-bye. I love you. Peanuts. Blow your horn. You gonna play Mommy's guitar too? Play Mommy's guitar. Be careful. Good job. Okay, come on. Let's go out of Mommy and Daddy's room. Nope, not into the closet.